Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So if you guys never saw the last video, go check it out. But we went to the Portland Jerk Festival, and of course once you're in Portland, there's two things you have to do or take note of. The first one is, if it doesn't rain when you get to Portland, then you're not welcomed, and it rained yesterday, so we're happy about that. And the next thing is, you have to check out the beaches or the river. So we are back at Winifred Beach, and I did mention we because Jilly, as you guys know from the last video, she's back. Yeah, when she was overseas, she kept saying to me that she feels very pale and she really wants a tan. So today we're gonna just chill by the beach a little bit. Unfortunately, if you watch the videos, you already know, but if you don't, it's a Monday, so in the week most of the restaurants that I might showcase to you might just not be open. But on the flip side, on a Monday, you're basically going to have the beach to yourself. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But from, I would say, Friday evening back to Sunday, it's going to be a lot of people. Anyway, so we're just going to chill out here a little bit. I'm going to brainstorm a little bit and see where we can go to eat. Miss Cynthia is over there. It is closed. I think Italish is closed on a Monday as well. And where I wanted to take her was Liquor Porty, and Liquor Porty, I spoke to Miss Rose, beautiful soul, but she has a flu, so that was closed today. So I don't know, man. I don't know, but we'll see what's up. Come on, leave him alone. Come on. Come on, you're the aggressive one and he's just calm. Jesus. None at all. Where do you want to go? Right down there, sir. You brought the towels? Just use your towel. Even in Florida, you never went? That's crazy, bro. The last time I was here, I never went on the beach either. I just had food, but there's one thing to point. Well, you're gonna see the signs immediately. It says beware of sea eggs. So in terms of the safest to walk out on, probably not as much, but there are clear spots that you can go to. But for me, I can't manage a sea egg right now. But the signs are big.
Yeah,
like. Right. You're the Florida and you don't go to the beach. Why?
Can you imagine? I don't know, every day I go to the beach, and I actually ordered this swimsuit to go to the beach.
I know you're finally going. Wow.
You know me already.
You now go with me, you're not going anywhere, don't it?
True.
Yeah.
I planned it now, but it just never.
Yeah, and you know how much time I tell you, say go to the beach, go to the mall, go do whatever.
I went to the mall during the latter part.
Yeah, the last days. Yeah.
Don't worry, my plan. We had a day plan for the beach. I know Shelley going to see this and Dion.
Yeah.
Plus me say, you know what, I have no sleep. Just not working.
Gotcha. Tan coming?
Yeah, I feel my skin getting dark. Like, it's weird. It's weird.
Like
turn over.
Like a baked chicken.
Can you imagine this is probably how chickens feel in the oven? Look at that. Whew. My brain can't take those one for me to see.
Tell me about it. Oh God. Tonight, me seem to open, babes.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I see her like she just forward.
I mean, the food I got set long for already.
Eh?
The food I got set long for already.
I'm gonna talk to her and see what's up. Have you ever eaten sea eggs before? I think it's called uni. Uni, it's it has a very umami flavor. Never had it before? Huh? What did you say? What did you say? You see them?
All of these juki.
Oh my God!
Mighty God! This dish has from baby.
Not this part, like a whole. It's like it's a lot of sea eggs, but these are baby ones though. Yeah, same thing. They call it uni. Yeah, not about that life.
There's no water in the pipe.
No water. I think that's the drawback in here. Remember my story I posted on Instagram the time with the bathroom situation? Yep.
Was here?
I had a very hard time.
This is the beach that government wants to privatize.
They want to privatize this beach?
They're gonna privatize this, so they're gonna dig out the sea again.
Trust me, they can do it.
But it was a big thing with the locals here, because they're saying it's one of the few private beaches here left. It's a beach that good as well privatized. Because they're not maintaining it properly.
Here? In terms of like
just basic.
the bathroom,
yeah,
water,
bathroom, water. Just, the things that people need at the beach.
Yeah, the water situation is low. I'm gonna go to Kayate. I'll go to Cynthia. And see what she have here.
Vanilla, come here. Vanilla, come. Where does that thing go? Maybe she have back with me and leave like she thinks so. Very well.
Alright guys, so it's on. So Miss Cynthia just came just now and she has, last time it was only fish, but you don't know. Lobster, Caribbean, spiny lobster is just top tier. And I like trying the lobsters from different people and seeing their take on it. So Miss Cynthia is open today and we're gonna try that. We were talking a little bit. Julie always laugh and say, if I live in Portland, because a lot of people around here will know me. But honestly guys, when I'm here, I take the added initiative, especially solo traveling, to like just hang out with people. So I'll be in a bar and just chat it up, or when I'm here by myself I just talk to people and just make good connections, because Jamaica is a small island. Easy me, and you'll never know where the links will come in. So I was just talking to her and she said to me that she had a wicked wedding that was there on Saturday gone, and she was like, yo, place wicked. So anyway, when she's done sorting out, I'll go in there, I'll show you guys a little bit on how she does her lobster. And yeah, I think you want to have the lobster, you want up there, or you want to sit down here? Where you want to do? Chef seats. You want seats? Yeah. Okay, so we'll have it up there and have our lobster and thing. And once I come to a place more than once, you certify it. I don't care little places that are not, of a certain
the best for me.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you.
Pretty enough.
Red snapper.
You got these this morning?
Yes.
Beautiful, man.
Kind of big one.
Jeez.
Red snapper.
Fresh catch done by Cynthias.
Beautiful snapper.
So tell me something. Yesterday, you said they did a wedding. You cater for the wedding and everything?
No, me only give them this plate. Just
Oh,
this.
nice.
The place?
Mhm.
They carry them cater and everything.
Oh,
I'm
nice.
going to show you on my phone when I finish.
Alright.
When they do a little clips of it.
We had the chicken today.
Natural.
What kind of chicken today?
Curry chicken
Curry.
today.
Oh, Jesus.
I have my phone and line street. This one we just go and eat this kind of stuff. When they see that people are going to say, where get that, you know?
Miss Cynthia, you know how much for a dozen lime right now?
When them say them coming on, me and tell them and they enjoy it. Let's see what I'm going to grill your lobster. Follow me. Come back to you.
You train him?
Yes, I am me second. Me no one, yeah, I am me second. I am fit. Thing there. They put island butter into this already. You know that?
Yeah.
This can't take off, you know. Woo! I must split it for you and make you see. Yeah. I think so.
babe, them have escovitch, sprat, peppered crayfish, smoked marlin. What if I pronounce the word? Ceviche? Ceviche. And smoked marlin on this menu. Somebody comment, sprat with laughing emoji. Like, what wrong with sprat? What wrong with sprat? What did sprat ever do to anybody? That's quite nice.
Because it's an uptown restaurant, that's why.
Yeah, but them have a lot of other things. Smoked marlin.
Yeah.
Yeah, why you never comment and say smoked marlin? Like, come on.
Guys, so what you do, you know? 2 things you do on our phone at the time. Zara or look for a restaurant
I'm
for
reading
good
the
job.
news all the time to update you.
That's not important. Joke.
Every day I go past Zara, watch the price and I go down. I'm sure, hold on. The network is so poor. Let me try to read it.
Show us in your cart. So we want to see what's in your cart.
These are some of the items in my shopping cart.
No, the total. We can get to the point for the total.
$450.
Do you have anything on later? But look, we'll show us some favorites.
All my favorites. A lot of things are in my favorite, but you're restricted with your favorites. So. So I am sold off.
This is my job. I am the touch the timer guy. One more. Look at that. Look at that. Oh,
Yes,
that
Lord.
look good. Looks really good. Alright. We'll try Miss Cynthia for the lobster. Yeah man, that's appreciated.
Thank you.
She's something that she did make you lemonade? No, she not have to make it here man. What you say?
Tastes good.
Tastes good? Wow. Guys, honestly, I'll tell you guys after. I just want to kind of just enjoy this, but this is what it looks like. Just looked really good. Fresh. The lobsters are caught today. Never been on ice. Yeah, so fresh stuff. We have some sauce there, and we have a beautiful lady over there, and of course you have soy sauce over here. So all right, so we're gonna enjoy this. Me?
This is like you know, but kill yourself if you go get it, you know.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I know usually I will sit here and talk, telling you about the food, but honestly, it's when food good, we don't have no time for uno. So now we're gonna talk about it. In Caucasian culture, I see people use like lime on seafood, especially like lobster and whatever. And I never quite got it, but today I was like, yo, I'm Miss Cynthia, it's off a shot. And when you had that lobster, the lobster was just fresh. I gave that lobster a manicure and a pedicure. Like, me deal with it wicked. Like at one point I was like, oh, she just knocking with my fork, and she just come with the crab cracker thing, and I dealt with it. It was delicious. the flavors of the lobster was not ignored. You know, you go to some places, and I don't mind that, I'm not knocking anybody, but it's just you're tasting most the curry or most of the fry up, but like the lobster was allowed to really do its thing. You get me? Anybody know, making seafood, you should not overpower it, and today, it was fantabulous. Had an amazing time. And like I will say, Winifred Beach is one of my favorite beaches out here. Reason being, it's very shaded. You can actually go on certain parts of the sun like we were earlier, but it's very shaded. The climate here is good. I've never really gotten much of a hustle down here, minus the bathroom thing. That's another story, but like, you know, Miss Cynthia came and she said that she has a bathroom back there. And here's the sad part. That day that I had food by Miss Cynthia, my intention was to come back for round 2. Like I was like, alright, I'm gonna have my dinner. And I had a little incident down there. I'm not really blaming anybody, but I was very uncomfortable and I just drove off and left. And you know, Jilly had to go use the bathroom. I think, you know, $200 go use the bathroom or whatever, even though you pay admission fee. Well, contribution and thing. But she has a bathroom here, so if you come here, you might not notice it, but just please ask her. She has her personal bathroom here that you can use and thing. So there's that. And the next public service announcement, I'm not allowed to bring any other woman here. So Jill is the only person that Miss Cynthia said that I will ever be able to eat it here, because she has a very fondness of Jilly. And it's a very good thing that I travel on these solo trips as a gelding. Like, I've never, you see me, cause Miss Cynthia the boss, huh?
All your subscribers are very fond of Jilly. Let's make this clear right now.
Yeah, and here, anyway. we're about to leave now. It was an amazing day. It was chill. It was one of my more relaxing days. Not really focusing on content. I just brought you guys along because, hey, why not? And yeah, I hope you guys check out Miss Cynthia. Like I said, pure, clean food. If you never caught the last video, she used to be a pharmacist, so she understands food like that. And her mandate is she doesn't want to give people unclean anything. You know, food is healing, right? Anyway, enough talking. I'm about to go. Yeah, we'll go down to the farm really quick, drop off some food to the dogs. So, catch you on the next video. Remember what you think? Love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to eat your greens. Keep the link.